Exercise 6.5 first problem, see here. The sides of the triangles are given below. Determine which of them is right angle triangles. In case of the right triangle, find the hypotenuse. So very simple here. What to do here? The first question is given to you that 7 centimeters, 24 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and 25 centimeters. So how do we identify whether these three are the right angle triangle, sides of the right angle triangle or not? Squares find out karna. First you need to find out the squares. First you need to find out the squares. So square of 7, some of the students will write directly here. 7 square is equals to 49. 24 square is equals to 576. 625. I already told you the squares you need to remember. These are, I did not prepare for this yesterday night and came here. 24, 26 are 100 difference over. 24 square is 576. 26 square is 676. The difference between. So these numbers are always repeating numbers. Squares में कुछ numbers होता है, वो बार-बार repeat होता है. Squares up to 20 you need to remember. ये तो 20 से means upper part है, 24 है. That also is a special number. So more number of times in your textbook, whenever you see that 24 square, more number of times, more places में आपको आता है. So that's why these numbers, 24 square is 576, 26 square is 676. So these all the numbers you should remember. Now here is sum of the squares of the any two sides. किसी दोनों को इसमें ज्यादा क्या है? First length means which is having the more number means greatest number is what here? 625. If you add these two, whether you are getting 49 plus 576 is equals to 625. That means 7 square plus 24 square is equals to 25 square. Therefore, you can say that they form the right triangle with a hypotenuse 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters is hypotenuse. What is the greatest number is there? That will become the hypotenuse in a right angle. So this part you need to remember. So remaining problems are all easy. And you may get out with the third problem. Third problem थोड़ा सा बड़ा है सर. ये छोटा problem हम लोग तो कर रहे हैं. बड़ा problem है 50 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 100 centimeters. 50, 80, 100. Easy है ये. 5 square है. 50 square is nothing but 2500. 80 square is nothing but 8 square 6400. 100 square is equals to 10,000. तो ये दोनों का सम तो ये नहीं है पक्का. Therefore you can say that ये 50 square is plus 80 square is not equals to 100 square. Therefore it is not a right angle triangle. That's all. Like that right angle triangle होगा नहीं होगा easily identify. And coming to the fourth problem in this 13 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Actually by observing itself you should be in a position to ये देखते ही पाइथागोरस मींस रेक्टेंगल ट्रायंगल होगा नहीं होगा. पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स भी आप लोग सीख लिया है. डू यू रिमेंबर 8th क्लास में है पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स. You can refer to your NCERT textbook of your 8th class. There are Pythagorean triplets are there. Pythagorean triplets के लिए आपके एक separate formula भी होता है. Do anyone remember? In 8th class, you have learned in 8th class one squares and square roots chapter. In 8th class, squares and square roots chapter. If you see that, you are going to have the you refer. अगर मैं बोलना है तो मैं बोलूँगा. In the form of m, you are going to have m square. अभी बोल रहा हूँ मैं बोल दिया तो आप आइडेंटिफाई करना, आप सर्च कर सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेम्बर. आप किसी को फाइंड आउट कर लिया तो वो ज्यादा देर आपको याद रहे. ओके, टुमारो यू रिमाइंड मी, अदरवाइज आई टेल यू. ये ऐसा बोल रहे तो आपको क्या ना थोड़ा दिमाग में आएगा, इधर से सुनेगा इधर से चलेगा. बट आप सर्च कर लिया.
It was 12 m square plus 1 and m square minus 1.
No, don't say. I am giving the chance to everyone to at least they have to do the research themselves. What is Pythagorean triplets कैसे फॉर्म होता? It is there in your chapter. बोल रहा हूँ ना 8th क्लास का किसी का बुक भी लेकर अभी भी क्लास में लेके आप सर्च कर लो और वो नोट कर लो, बहुत ज्यादा देर तक, मीन्स बहुत दिनों तक आपको याद रहेगा इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक. ओके, सो नाउ हियर ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट होगा. इधर 13 स्क्वायर इज 169, 12 स्क्वायर इज 144, 5 स्क्वायर इज 25. ये दोनों का सम ये है. So therefore 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. It is Pythagorean. So very simple problem here. So next, coming to the second one. Second one, it is given PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is a point on QR. Okay, PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at P. P के पास right angle है, PQR, and M is a point on QR. QR में point M है, such that PM is perpendicular to QR, like this. PM is perpendicular to 90 degrees है ये QR. Show that already we have shown it. Huh? Not a. So here already we have done it in the proof. Whatever it is showing. What is we need to prove here? We need to prove that PM square is equals to PM square is equals to QM into MR. This is required to us to prove. What is given here? Given triangle PQR is right triangle in which angle P is equals to 90 degrees and PM is perpendicular to QR. And PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay, so this is the thing given to you. Now, how can you prove that? What it is required to us to prove. So PM by QM is equal. ये QM इधर लेके आओ. This can be written as, this is required to us to prove. This can we prove that PM into PM is equals to QM into MR? We can write like this. Now ये QM इधर लेके आओ, PM इधर लेके जाओ. PM by QM is equals to MR by PM. If we prove this one, इधर से ये आएगा, इधर से ये आएगा. रिवर्स में जाना है. Our research should be like that. तो ये प्रूव करना है तो PM and QM sides of the triangle PMQ. And MR and PM are the sides of this triangle. So whether these two triangles are similar or not, similarity you need to check here. By AA similarity, actually, whenever you check properly, these two triangles, PMQ and PMR, in that way, not in that way, name will be alag way, whether they are similar or not. This already we have done in the Pythagoras theorem proof only. Proof में क्या कर लिया हम लोग याद है? Each and every two triangles, when a perpendicular is drawn onto the hypotenuse, and these two smaller triangles are similar to the big triangle. इसको similar है, isn't it? So that already we have proved it. You see here, triangle I am naming as a QMT. QMT is similar to triangle QPR by AA similarity. Isn't it? In that angle PQ is common. दोनों में angle Q is common. No? Angle M is 90 degrees and P is 90 degrees. In the same way, ये छोटा triangle R MP is similar to triangle RPQ. Isn't it? Now here these two triangles are what? These two triangles are same triangle ना. QPR triangle बोले तो ये है, RPQ triangle बोले तो ये है. So can we say that these two triangles are similar? Huh? Sure. No, directly you cannot write. See here, whenever we are writing, that is only main important here. ये दोनों सेम जैसा नया नेम नहीं है ना, तो ये भी इसकी जैसा लिखो. समझ में आ रहा है ना? If you write like that, most of the students will commit a mistake here. Why? Because ये triangle the same, but name they are not writing in the same way. The corresponding angles equality will completely change. So अब क्या करना है, इसको भी QPR लिखना. इसको QPR लिख दिया तो इधर PMR होगा. इधर भी QPR लिख, QPR. इधर QPR. ये P 90 डिग्री है. In the small triangle 90 degrees वाला मिडिल में आना. R कॉमन है, R इधर आया. Now what is left over in the small triangle? RP is left over. Now PMR is similar to QPR. Now you can say that these two triangles are same triangles. ये similar to इसका, ये similar to इसका हो गया. Then these two are similar. That already we have seen in the theorem. एक theorem मैंने आपको दिखाया है वीडियो की तरह. I think you forgot it. The theorem was shown to you after the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem के बाद यही है. So by AA similarity criterion. Similarity. Now what you can write from this? You can write that triangle QMT is similar to triangle PMR. ये दोनों, because these two triangles are same triangle. Name also same. So as it is you can do. Now you take the corresponding sides proportionally. Corresponding sides means QM by PM is equals to MP ये दोनों by MR is equals to QP by PR. Actually this is not required to us. ये हमको जरूरत नहीं, ये equal है, but क्या what is asking to us to prove this is not required. ये हम साइड में रखें और ये दोनों ले लो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. PM into MP is equals to same only na. Yes, I will write PM and first let us write as it is, then after QM into MR. तो ये PM दोनों सेम है ना, PM R MP बोलते हैं. Can we write it as a PM square? QM into MR. We have proved it. It is very simple. आपको दिखता है simple है, but इधर main problem is here. At this place the main problem comes. Similarity criteria. So when a perpendicular drawn from the 90 degrees, where the 90 degrees is forming, from that 90 degrees perpendicular if you are drawing, then the similarity, the two triangles will be similar. But they are similar in what way here? QMP. You observe that. You can observe that this angle, ये angle, किस angle को equal पता है? ये triangle में RMP triangle है और ये दोनों में R angle will be equals to what? ये P angle को equal, इधर ये angle को equal. देखो, in the QMP में P last में, PMR में R last में. So this R angle will be equal to this one. This Q angle will be equals to, like this. For one problem you need to analyze. When you are analyzing it, you are going to get it problem. समझ में आया ना? So question may be asked to you in objective type of the questions. Question may be asked to you like this. A question will be asked to you. PM perpendicular is drawn in a right angle triangle. Then PM perpendicular draw करने के बाद angle RPM is equals to dash. It's a 4 options based. So how many objective type of the questions can be created from this? So many create. Can you tell me the answer for the PQM bol. Already I have shown with the 2 lines now. What I am showing, RPM is equals to PQM or MQ. Options में देते हैं. Question ऐसा prove करने, ये prove करने से same इधर से ही इसी में ये problem से ही मैं एक question create कर लिया. You can create your own questions also. Objective type of questions किधर से आते? So you should learn a subject. ये इधर से ही एक question prepare होता है. दूसरा question. So that's why better you learn all the problems. हर एक problem को analyze करना. Okay. So, next. Third problem see here. In the same way, all the problems में mostly you are going to use the similarity condition, Pythagoras theorem condition we are going to use. Okay. So here, can we solve? You may get doubt here. Sir, ये problem तो हम similar triangles use कर लिया. This problem is under the Pythagoras theorem. Can't we solve this using the Pythagoras theorem? Right? Question you need to raise. Actually, आपका question भी मैं ही raise कर रहा हूँ. उसको solution भी मैं ही बोलना. ऐसा नहीं होना. But I'm giving the one idea to you. ऐसा question raise होना है आपका जिम्मेदार. 6.5 exercise is related to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem बोले तो आप Pythagoras theorem use नहीं किया इसमें. So can we do this problem using the Pythagoras theorem? Let us try. You have to think. I am not explaining to you. Try it. Can we do it? Pythagoras theorem use करके कर सकते. 3 triangles are there in this. 3 right angle triangles are there in this. Not in the third problem. Second problem में बोल. Second problem में 3 right angle triangles और 2 छोटा वाला है, 1 बड़ा वाला. वो Pythagoras theorem तीनों में अप्लाई कर. ट्राई कर लो. आएगा नहीं आएगा चेक कर. Okay, like this you need to do it. Okay, coming to the third problem in 6.53, ABD triangle right angle at A, same AC is perpendicular to BD. Same model question है, and it is asking you to prove that AB square equal to BC into BD. AC square is equals to BC into DC. AD square equal to BD into C. Same concept can be used in that to prove this one. You try that problem. Okay. Coming to the fourth problem, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at C. ये भी easy problem. ABC is a isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Isosceles triangle, right angled at C is nothing but A, B, C. 90 degrees इधर है. This will be equal. And prove that AB square equals to AC square. Very simple here. AB square is equals to by Pythagoras theorem. AC square plus DC square. AC, DC both are equal. So either you can write it as a AC square plus AC square. So which is equals to 2AC square. हो गया proof. कुछ नहीं है. Fifth problem is already it is given that AC is equals to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that this is इसका converse है. इसमें 90 degrees नहीं दिया है. Fifth problem. Just it is given that AB square is equals to 2 times of AC square. ये दे दिया. This is 90 degrees prove करना है. ये problem का converse है. तो what to do here? Reverse में जाना है. AB square is equals to AC square plus AC square लिखना है. AC and BC are equal दे दिया. तो AC का प्लेस में BC लिखो. AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. So square of the hypotenuse, square of the one side. Square of the one side is equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle by using the converse of Pythagoras. That point you need to mention. By the converse of Pythagoras theorem, you can mention करना है. Okay. Next, very interesting and important question, 6th one. Sixth question. So what is given here? ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. It is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. So this is 2A length. Here also 2A length. Here also 2A length. Okay. Now what is asking to you? Find the each of its altitude. Altitude का length find out करना. Can anyone tell me what is the length of the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side A? Do you remember? आपको याद है? Equilateral triangle area क्या है?
Sir, root 3 by 4 a square.
Very good. Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. इधर altitude में draw कर रहा हूँ. Suppose this is an altitude. If I am drawing an altitude, let us consider this altitude as a. You said that already. Root 3 by 4 a square is the area of the equilateral triangle. इसको equate कर रहा हूँ मैं half into base into height. Side इधर this is root 3 by 4 a square when if the side is a units. इधर 2a दे दिया है. ये problem I'm not explaining this problem. Just what is the height of side a units? ये what is this is the area of the triangle whose side is a units. Suppose इधर से इधर तक a होता है. तो इधर इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो half into a into h. Root 3 by 4 a square. So ये by 2 cancel होना है. इधर ये cancel होना. What is h? Height. That is altitude. H equal to root 3 by 2 a. Height. इधर 2a बोला. So root 3 by 2 2a. 2 cancel. Root 3a is the height. हो गया. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज ही नहीं किया. ये पूरा उल्टा कर दिया. Because we know that already area of the equilateral triangle. अब इसी को हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके प्रूव करेंगे. This we can prove it by using the Pythagoras. See, इसको आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पता भी नहीं है, but you can extract it from your previous knowledge. Height को आप निकाल सकते हैं. Simple चीज. Because already you know the area of the equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle and area of the normal triangle formula half into base into height. Isn't it? Huh? So now let us prove it. How do we prove it? What given triangle ABC is equilateral. That is nothing but AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to 2A units. All are equals to 2A units. Okay. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. हाँ? क्या? Already? But समझ में नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, yes. हाँ, that you can write it here. We need to find out AD here. We need to find out AD. AD find out करना है. Isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. AD perpendicular to BC we are drawing. Okay. So after drawing the perpendicular here.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, the board is blurred.
Board is blurred. For all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It gets clear. Giving clear wait 1 minute.
So now it is okay.
So AD is perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Now what you can observe from this when you are drawing perpendicular? ये angle इस angle को equal है. इधर 90 degree से इधर भी 90 degree से. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA. If they are similar. Actually, they are similar. Not only similar, they are congruent. Actually, right? They are congruent. Congruent आप लोग prove करना. Congruent नहीं. Similar होगा और congruent नहीं होगा. Why congruent? By both triangles. Okay. And this I think hypotenuse is equal because both the sides are equal. And one side is RHS. RHS. Rectangle, hypotenuse are equal, and one side is equal. So you can say that the two triangles are congruent. When the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides equal, and angles are equal. So you can say that this angle is equal to this side equal to this side. BD is equal to BC, which is equal to AX. Half of the BC minus BC and 2A by 6 AX. अभी BD कितना है हमको AR. ये AD कितना है? 2A. AD फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Okay? In triangle. Yes, sir. Triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. By Pythagoras theorem. AB square equals AB square plus BD square. AB कितना है 2A. 2A square. BA square is equal to AD कितना है? We need to find AD square plus BD कितना है? A square. So from this what you are going to get 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. So AD square is equal to